He said, what will be the status of Khilafat Ahmadiyya before the last prophet about which Hazur spoke last time? The last Messiah, sorry, Hazur spoke last time.
You see, at that time, the whole mankind would have become evil and wicked. So, there is no question of any Khilafat at that time. Nominally maybe, but there were nominally Khalifas after Khulafa Rashidin. Some of them were good, many of them were wicked. So it's game of chance. But at that time, all of them would have become wicked. Not only if they are caliphs in name only, but they would have been completely transformed into a wicked something, as transgress against everything in the world. So this is the state of affairs to be expected just before the Qiyamah. Not a single person will be worthy of living in sight of God.